Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be working on some March Madness UCONN nails for all my sports lovers out there. Granted, I don't be watching sports like that, but I thought this theme would be super cute. So now let's get into it. So I already applied my nails. I do the same thing for every single video, so I thought I'd skip that step. I use these Lazy Girl tips, and I use this MAC Art gel glue to apply them. I already added my base to the top of these, and yeah, so let's get into this design. So I definitely want to use some orange, my orange here, I have my blue, and then I have, you know, my white, my black, and stuff like that. I also have some red. We'll see how this goes. I don't know. I'm gonna try and draw the animal, but we'll see. Alright, before I do my second coat of everything, I'm going to add some black for the outline. Bear with me. I'm doing an outline of a basketball. Ooh, child. I'm being very ambitious with these nails. Alright, I don't know if they're going to come out the way I envisioned them to be, but we'll see. We will see. If you guys have not done so already, show your girl some love. Click that subscribe button. You know? Alright. I'm gonna try and do this basketball. It's okay if it's not perfect. I just need this as an outline. All right, let's do the second coat and move on with some of the other designs. After doing a second coat on all the solid nails, I went in and cured for 60 seconds. All right, so now I'm gonna try to make this look like a basketball. So I'm just gonna apply glue here. I feel like I could apply it to the whole finger. Funny story, this came in one of my kits that I got, and I never knew what it was for. Now it makes sense. It's to put these on, and I did not know that. Thank you to that beautiful person who told me about this pencil idea, crayon idea, or wax stick idea. Sometimes you just have slow moments. I had a very, very, very slow moment. I did not know. So we're gonna add these pearls as though they are the little dots on a basketball. Alright, I'm doing a little check-in. This is how far I'm getting. It's taking me a little while, but we're getting there. We're getting there. On everything, I was going to paint over this whole thing and make it orange, but it looks so cute. It's gonna stay like this. And if I had known that I was gonna like it so much, I would have did the black twice, like 2 coats of the black. But you know what? Who cares? It's cute. So we just do one quick check before I cure it all. See where I can add. Alright, because I can't draw a straight line to save my life, I'm going to see if I can do the net with this hard gel. Hopefully it works. Fingers crossed. this is where we are. I think they're cute. I'm going to attempt to make this animal on this finger. Ooh, child. Let's see. Now I'm gonna apply top coat to the nails, excluding the one that's the basketball with all of the pearls on them. Alright, so I did my best. This is how they came out. I hope you guys think these are so cute. Let me know if you're feeling them in the comments. If you're not, don't let me know, because I just want the positive energy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and I will catch y'all in the next video. Bye.